GoHighLevel pricing says it starts at $97 a month. But when you sign up, you find out real quick that the subscription isn't the whole story. There's 3 different plans, a whole menu of add-ons, and little usage fees that show up on your card that nobody warned you about. So in this video, I'm going to break down every plan, every hidden cost, and the exact plan I'd pick if I was starting today. And I'm not guessing on any of this because I'm going to open up my own billing screen and show you exactly what my agency really pays. But first, let me tell you why you can trust me on this one. I've been running my agency on GoHighLevel for 4 years now, with around 350 active clients inside it. And over the last 12 months, our clients have paid us a little over $5 million. Let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live because I show my real numbers in every single video. Too many people teach this stuff on YouTube without ever showing a real dollar. And there it is, $5,038,085 in the last 12 months. So when I talk about what this software costs and what it can make you, it's coming from somebody who actually pays the bill every month. Chapter 1, the 3 main plans. So when you land on the GoHighLevel pricing page, you'll see 3 plans, and every one of them comes with a free 14-day trial. But don't sign up just yet because I have a special link that gets you a 30-day free trial in the description below, plus my free bonuses, but more on that later. Now, the first plan is the starter plan at $97 a month, and this gets you 3 sub-accounts, unlimited contacts, and unlimited users. Now, let me explain what a sub-account is real quick because this is the part that confuses every beginner. Think of your agency account as your headquarters, and a sub-account is a separate locked office for each business you work with. So one office for your own business and one for each client. Here's what that looks like in my demo account. Each one of these would be a client with their own private system. And every single sub-account is a complete system on its own. It's got the CRM, websites and funnels, calendars, email and text marketing, the social media planner, automations, payments, and the AI tools. Let me open one of my demo accounts so you can see the full menu down the left side. And all of this is included, even on the cheapest plan. And here's a bonus that comes with every plan: snapshots. That's how I drop a whole pre-built system, website, calendar, automations, and all into a brand new client account in about a minute. If you've watched my past videos, you've seen me do exactly that. So with Starter, you can run your own business plus 2 paying clients for $97 a month. The second plan is the unlimited plan at $297 a month. And the big difference is right there in the name. You get unlimited sub-accounts. So client number 4, client number 10, client number 50, your software bill never goes up. That's exactly how my agency supports hundreds of clients on one flat price. It also unlocks something called rebilling, which I'll show you in the hidden cost chapter because it can actually make you money. And it adds basic API access for connecting outside tools. And the third plan is the one we personally use, which is Agency Pro at $497 a month. This is the software plan that lets you rebrand GoHighLevel and resell it as your own software at whatever price you want. Let me show you my software configurator real quick. Right here, I've got a plan built where people pay me directly every month for software access, and HighLevel handles the billing automatically. That's a whole business model by itself. But if you're a beginner, you probably don't need to start there. There's also an enterprise plan with custom pricing for really big companies. But even I don't use that, so I'm skipping over it. Now, one money tip before we move on. If you pay annual, every plan gives you 2 months free. So starter is $970 a year instead of $1,164. But here's what I do. Start monthly, prove the software makes you money, and then switch to annual once you've got a strong client base. So here's my simple answer on which plan to pick. Start on the $97 starter plan. It has everything you need to build systems, manage your own business, or land your first clients. Then upgrade to the $297 plan when you sign your 3rd or 4th client because at that point, the math flips in your favor. And at $500 a month per client, which is what my beginner level service sells for, that upgrade pays for itself with a fraction of 1 client. But we still need to talk about chapter 2, the hidden costs nobody talks about. All right, this is probably the chapter that brought you here because on top of the subscription, GoHighLevel charges small usage fees for the stuff you actually use. Sending texts, making phone calls, sending emails, and some of the AI features. These come out of something called your wallet, which automatically recharges from your card. And if nobody warns you about it, that little extra charge can surprise you on your bank statement. But here's the truth. These fees are tiny. Let me give you the real numbers. A text message costs less than a penny. Phone calls are about $1.50 per minute. A phone number costs about $1 a month. And emails are about 68 cents for every 1,000 you send. And I know numbers like that sound made up, so let me just show you my own wallet. This is my personal real usage dashboard. My usage spend this month across all of my sub accounts was $59.18. That's it. And look at the email line right there. My account sent over 9,000 emails this month, and it cost about $6. That's what all the scary hidden fees actually add up to. And if I open my detailed transactions, you can see individual emails going out for a fraction of a penny each, right there on the screen. Now, there are two more things you should know about. The first is called A2P registration. Before you can send marketing texts in the US, the phone carriers make you register your business. It's a one-time fee, usually somewhere around $20 to $70 depending on your setup, plus a couple bucks a month per campaign. And you can actually see mine. When I flip my wallet back to June, there it is. A2P registration, $35.50. And that's not a GoHighLevel thing. Every texting platform on earth has to charge this now. And the second one isn't really a cost, it's a cheat code. It's called rebilling. On the $297 plan and up, you can pass those usage fees straight through to your clients so they pay for their own texts, calls, and emails. And on the $497 plan, you can even mark them up. Let me show you my actual rebilling screen. I just dragged this markup slider and the table updates right there. My cost per text, what the client pays, and my profit on every single message, call, and email. So the hidden fees can literally flip into a profit line for your agency. So here's your realistic expectation as a beginner. Budget about $20 to $50 a month in usage on top of your subscription. If I can run my business on $59, you'll be just fine. Now let's move into chapter 3, the AI pricing, because this is where 2026 gets really good. GoHighLevel now has a full stack of AI built in. Ask AI, which is like having an employee in a chat box. AI Studio, which builds websites from a sentence. Conversation AI, which answers messages and books appointments. Voice AI, which answers actual phone calls, plus Content AI, Reviews AI, and Workflow AI. And these aren't gimmicks. In my past videos, you've watched me create a whole month of social media content with one Ask AI prompt, build a full website with AI Studio by typing a sentence, and set up the conversation AI that books real appointments for a real med spa client. I've got full tutorials on every one of these, so I'll link them below. But today we're talking about what all of it costs. And there's 3 ways they price it. Option 1 is pay per use. You only pay for what you touch and the rates are small. An AI image is about 6 cents. AI writing is about 9 cents per 1,000 words. An AI review reply is 1 penny. Option 2 is the AI employee growth plan at $50 a month per sub account, which covers 1,000 AI conversation replies and 100 voice minutes. And option 3 is AI employee unlimited at $97 a month per sub account, where almost everything is unlimited. And here's what that looks like in real life. This is my new AI suite dashboard. Over the last 30 days, my accounts ran 497 AI transactions and used 18.8 million tokens. And the total cost was $14.52. So the AI isn't the thing that breaks your budget either. But here's what you need to know right now. GoHighLevel is running a promo called Summer of AI through August 31st. So Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI are completely free for everybody this summer. And the heavier tools like Voice AI and Conversation AI come with a free 30-day trial on top of that once you're on a paid plan. Which means if you get started this month, you can learn almost the entire AI suite without paying extra for any of it. They're even running 50% off the software itself for your first 3 months. And on top of all that, they're giving away $100,000 in prizes to the agencies that use AI the most this summer. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all my clients. So if you want to try it out, use my link down in the description. You'll get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the normal 14 days. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, my AI prompt library, and $11,577 in bonuses completely free. So you're not just getting the software, you're getting the exact playbook for making money with it. All right, 2 chapters left, and both of them save you real money. Chapter 4, the add-ons to skip. If you scroll down the pricing page, there's a whole menu of optional add-ons. So let me hit the big ones fast. HIPAA compliance is $297 a month, and you only need that if you're storing patient health data for medical clients. A white label mobile app is $497 a month, and that puts your own branded app in the App Store. Premium support is $500 a month. A branded client portal app is $49. Dedicated email IPs are $59. WordPress hosting starts at $10 a site, and there's smaller ones like online listings management at $30 and a prospecting tool at $29. And here's my honest advice after 4 years on this platform. Skip all of them when you're starting. Every add-on is a monthly charge, and the core $97 plan already includes everything you need to land and serve your first clients. The only one I'd even consider early is the AI employee plan, and only after your free summer AI runs out and you're using it enough for $97 to be cheaper than pay per use. The add-ons are there for when you're scaling, not when you're starting. Chapter 5, how to pay as little as possible. So let's put the whole playbook together step by step. Step 1, don't sign up on the GoHighLevel homepage because that only gets you the standard 14-day trial. Sign up through a partner link like my link below, and you get a 30-day free trial instead. That's a whole extra month to learn the software, build something real, and even land your first client before you ever pay $1. Step 2, start on the $97 starter plan, even if you're feeling ambitious. Upgrading later takes 2 clicks. Downgrading a bloated bill feels a lot worse. Step 3, when your trial's running out and you need more time, there's a trial extension option sitting inside your billing settings, and you can apply for 14 more days, twice. I made a whole video breaking down how to stack that into 58 free days, so I'll link it up here and in the description. Step 4, once real clients are paying you, switch to annual for your 2 free months and turn on rebilling so your clients cover their own usage fees. So here's the real math on this whole thing. $97 a month for the software, plus maybe $30 in usage. Call it about $130 all in. One client paying you $500 a month covers that almost 4 times over. And before HighLevel, my agency was paying over $21,000 a year for just one social media tool, plus separate tools for email, scheduling, and everything else. This replaced all of it. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.